Good afternoon. I'm Brian, CBO at Copsonic. I'm here today with Emmanuel, our CEO and Head of Innovation. Copsonic was launched 1 year ago, and everyone immediately agreed on the potential of this new sonic communication protocol. As it is based on the exchange of encrypted sonic or ultrasonic waves, it is completely universal. Indeed, devices only need to carry either a microphone or speakers to be compatible with our technology. One of the most obvious use cases of our technology is to integrate it as a passwordless authentication solution for mobile websites or for desktop sessions. In this case, any mobile device can become a secure electronic key to access to personal information or to data. In the first use case that we're going to show you, called GateSonic, Emmanuel has got a smartphone with a dedicated application installed on it. He's in front of a website and he wants to enter his personal account. Therefore, he's going to press the Sonic login button on the website page. The Copsonic module embedded in the website starts broadcasting ultrasounds with encrypted audio IDs integrated in it. These IDs have been generated especially for this session. On his smartphone, Emmanuel is going to press the button Scan. Once he does that, the application starts scanning the environment for audio IDs that he's going to loop back to the server. On the server, we achieve a first match between the sound emitted by the website and the sound catched, and we enable a first level of authentication, and the website will display a welcome message for Emmanuel inviting him to integrate his PIN code directly on the phone. As he does that, we achieve a second level of authentication directly on the server, and we grant him access to his data. As you could see, there's no password here. Yet, Copsonic was built as a universal solution, and as most of the 7.2 billion of phones existing worldwide are not compatible with mobile applications, we had to propose another solution which would allow feature phones to be compatible with ultrasound authentication. In this second use case, Emmanuel will pretend to have a normal feature phone. He is once again in front of a website, and this time he's going to enter his phone number and his personal PIN code directly on the page of the website. Once he presses on the button, a phone call is going to be generated by the server, and this phone call is going to go through the local GSM network. Once the phone call arrives on the phone of Emmanuel, he's going to answer it, and once he answers this phone call, the encrypted ultrasounds emitted by the website are going to be looped back to the server once again. Having achieved this, we perform the authentication and we grant him access to his personal data. Once again, there's no password on the page. In both cases, we have used an air gap. We introduce an air gap in the authentication process. And we have used a sonic ID generated especially for this session. It's a unique password. This high level of security enables us to propose the Copsonic solution not only as a passwordless authentication solution, but also to use it for mobile contactless payment and for securing file transfers by encrypting them with an ultrasound. This ultrasound will be used afterwards to encrypt the file that was sent to someone. In this case, you will have no more access to photos of stars that may be running on the web. Now, we intend to establish Copsonic as a new communication protocol, and therefore we have decided to launch it as an SDK. This SDK is currently available for all major platforms existing, and our teams are available to help you build compatibility updates. So, Copsonic is opening a new path for mobile contactless authentication for security and proximity detection. It is working on 100% of the mobile phones, of the 7.2 billion phones existing worldwide, and on all smart devices. It is totally secure thanks to the one-time password introduced in the system and the air gap introduced. The SDK makes it easy to install and quick to install for all users around the world. With Copsonic, the industries of finance and of cybersecurity can propose to their customers a simple and secure solution for authentication within authentication, passwordless authentication, or within proximity detection. And for the first time, they can reach out to all mobile phones currently existing worldwide. Come and meet us afterwards. We will run you through a complete demo of our solutions. You will be amazed by what we can do. With Copsonic, you will need no more password to access to your future. Thank you for your attention.